Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm from Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, and I'm from batch 83, Hot Kitchen. I did my research about like the best culinary schools in the Middle East, and especially that I'm from Saudi, so Dubai is like very convenient for me to be here. And reading the reviews and hearing all the comments I got about the school, so I got really interested, and I just jumped on the ship of ICCA. My experience so far has been amazing, great, working with all these great chefs. I'm blessed, even my batch, I would say, because we had to attend four of the biggest events in Dubai: Air Show, Formula One, World Skills, Taste of Abu Dhabi. And I would have to say the dearest to me was Taste of Abu Dhabi because, again, ICCA gave me that honor to work with star Michelin chefs that I wouldn't ever dream to work with. It's been an amazing experience, mind blowing.